You've been staring at your yarn for weeks and still haven't made anything. I get it. Most crochet projects feel like they take forever, and by the time you're halfway through, life gets in the way and the whole thing just sits in a bag somewhere, never finished. But what if I told you there are crochet projects you can actually start and finish in a single day, and they don't look cheap or basic either? I'm talking about real, impressive things you can make in a few hours, whether you're a beginner or you've been crocheting for years. And by the end of this video, you'll have a full list of ideas to pick from, plus some tips to help you actually finish them. So let's get into it. Here's the thing a lot of people don't realize about crochet. The reason so many projects get abandoned isn't because people don't have the skill, it's because they picked something too big for where they're at in life right now. You started a blanket in January, it's now September. Sound familiar? The fix isn't to push through something massive, the fix is to give yourself some quick wins. Finishing a project, even a small one, does something to your brain. It reminds you that you can do this. It makes you want to pick up the hook again. And once you're back in that rhythm, the bigger projects don't feel so scary anymore. So let's talk about what you can actually make in a day. And when I say a day, I mean realistically, even if you've got other stuff going on. Like you're not sitting in a cabin in the woods with nothing else to do. These are projects you can work on between things, during a movie, while you're waiting on something. Most of these take somewhere between 2 to 6 hours, depending on your speed, your hook size, and your yarn weight. Let's start with something almost everyone loves, a crochet beanie. A basic beanie with chunky yarn and a large hook can come together in under 2 hours, seriously. If you use something like a 6mm or even an 8mm hook with bulky yarn, you're looking at maybe an hour and a half for a standard adult size. And the best part is, you can make it look really good with very little effort. A simple single crochet or half double crochet all the way around gives you a clean, thick texture that looks store-bought. You can add a pom-pom on top, leave it plain, fold the brim, or keep it slouchy. It's one of those projects that feels impressive, even though it isn't complicated. Next up, a crochet bucket hat. These are everywhere right now, and they are so fun to make. With a medium weight yarn and a 4mm or 5mm hook, you can knock one out in about 3 to 4 hours. The shape looks harder than it is. You're basically just crocheting in rounds, increasing at the right moments to make the brim flare out and decreasing slightly for the crown. There are tons of free patterns out there, but once you understand the basic structure, you can freestyle it too. You can make it with one solid color or do stripes, you can add a small floral detail or keep it completely minimal. Either way, it's the kind of thing you finish and immediately want to wear. Now let's talk about bags, because crochet bags are having a major moment right now. A small market bag or tote can be done in a day, no problem. These usually work up fast because you're using a mesh stitch, basically just chains and single crochets spaced out, which means less yarn, less time, and a really light, airy texture that looks really trendy. A basic granny stripe tote or a simple mesh bag and cotton yarn looks amazing and takes maybe 3 hours if you're comfortable with the pattern. These also make really nice gifts, which is something to keep in mind. Another one, a crochet headband. If you want something that takes less than an hour, a headband is your friend. You can make several in one sitting. A wide ribbed headband in chunky yarn is literally just a rectangle that you seam at the ends. You could add a knot or twist in the middle for a different look, or do a simple ear warmer style that's a bit wider. These are great for using up leftover yarn too, so if you've got scraps sitting around from other projects, this is one of the best ways to use them up without starting something big. Let me tell you about wrist warmers too, because these are underrated. A pair of fingerless gloves or wrist warmers can be finished in a day, sometimes even a few hours depending on how detailed you go. The basic version is just a tube shape with a thumb hole. That's it. You can keep it super plain or add a cable look, some ribbing, a button closure. They're practical, they look great, and when you make them yourself in colors you actually like, they feel 100 times better than something you'd buy at a store. Coasters are another one worth mentioning, especially if you want a project that's genuinely relaxing and low pressure. A set of 4 crochet coasters in cotton yarn takes maybe an hour total. You can do simple circles, hexagons, little granny squares. They're satisfying to make because each one finishes quickly and you end up with a whole set by the end of the day. They're also a great way to practice new stitches without committing to a big project. If you're trying to learn the star stitch or the bobble stitch, a coaster is the perfect low-stakes place to do it. Now, here's one people sleep on, a crochet phone or glasses case. A small pouch that fits your phone or your glasses is genuinely useful and takes almost no time. You're basically making a rectangle, folding it in half, seaming up the sides, and adding a button or a flap. Done. You can make it in tapestry crochet if you want to add a pattern or design to it, or just go solid. These also make amazing little gifts that feel thoughtful without being a massive project. Let's talk about scrunchies for a second. If you have about 30 minutes and some leftover yarn, a crochet scrunchie is one of the most satisfying quick projects out there. You wrap yarn around a hair tie using a simple single crochet technique, and you end up with something that looks cute and actually works well in your hair. You can make a whole bunch in different colors in an afternoon. These are really popular to sell too, if you've ever thought about that. Another great one-day project is a simple dishcloth or washcloth. Cotton yarn, a 4mm or 5mm hook, and you've got a functional item that looks handmade in the best way. A simple basket weave pattern or a basic waffle stitch gives these a really nice texture. They hold up well in the wash, and they're the kind of thing that once you start making, you'll want to make a dozen because they're just that satisfying. And again, they're great for using up yarn you already have. Here's one that people are making and selling like crazy right now: mini plushies and amigurumi. A small stuffed animal or character can be finished in a day if you pick one that's not too complicated. A basic round bear or bunny, a simple ghost, a little strawberry or lemon. All of these can be done in a few hours. You work in the round, stuff it with polyfill, add safety eyes, and suddenly you've got a tiny little thing that looks incredibly cute. These are also one of the most popular things to sell if you're into that. People go crazy for handmade plushies. Okay, so now you've got a solid list, but here's something I want to say before you go and start one of these. The biggest thing that kills momentum on even short projects is not having your stuff ready. Before you sit down to crochet, have your yarn, your hook, your scissors, and a darning needle all in one spot. Don't make yourself get up and look for things mid-project. That's how you end up watching TV for 3 hours instead of crocheting. Also, start with whatever project feels most exciting to you, not the one you think you should do. Excitement carries you through. Obligation does not. And one more thing, don't wait for a perfect long stretch of free time. Even 30 minutes here and there adds up fast on these smaller projects. You could finish a headband in 2 separate 30-minute sessions. That's a completed project from a regular Tuesday, and there's something really nice about that. The best thing about one-day crochet projects is what they do for your confidence. Every single time you finish something, you get better. Your tension gets more even, your speed improves, your pattern reading gets sharper, and you end up with real things you actually use or give away. That's the whole point. If you want to keep making things with me, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.